Hey there, guys. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the quality home barbecue matches. Yes. Okay, now before I got turned on to lighter that has that long wick on it, and it's automatic and has a long end on it, so you light your barbecues and stuff. I was using these. And if I didn't have these, I was using the regular standard cigarette lighters that are really small. I used to use these instead, and these work very well for lighting barbecues. I mean, look at this guy. Look how long this stick is. It's perfect, yeah. I mean, the automatic lighter is better, of course, but these do the job. You get 40 in the pack here. They're very reliable, burn really fast and easy. I mean, they don't go out real fast, but they light really fast and easy. You would just strike the back here on the box, and then it will light. See? Real easy. These are really, really, really good. And they last for a long time. I mean, they'll burn for as long as you really need them to. So they're good. They're really good. And what these are also good for is for if you want to light your, like any kind of furnace with a pilot light, an oven that has a pilot light that's not electric, or your, say, water heater, anything with a pilot light, because it has this really, really long stem on it, so it keeps you away from the thing that you're lighting, and that's always great, and that's the whole purpose, right? So it's really good. It really does its job, and these are very inexpensive. Like I said, you get 40 in the pack with these, and that's plenty. I mean, you should need one for whatever you're doing. Good for lighting birthday cakes, your candles, I know my wife has these little tea light little candle things that are round, and it has like a little wick on it. She likes to put those inside of a vase, right? You have to either light it first and then put it in there, which is kind of wild, or, use something like this, right? Where you can put it inside the vase or the little holder or whatever it is, and then light this, and then stick it down in there and light it, no problem. These are really, really good. I mean, there's all kind of ways you can use this. The long stem on these things really is a great idea. I mean, it's been around for a long time, the long stem matches, but I'm just saying, every household should have at least a box of these laying around, just in case. You never know when you're going to need them, right? So yeah, these are really good, and I've used matches like this for a very long time, and because I am an avid barbecuer, I love to barbecue. I'm always outside, and I'm always lighting something to burn. Even when you go camping or anything like that, and you're trying to start your little campfire, and you got all your little newspaper and everything around the wood that you're gonna try to burn to make your s'mores, marshmallows, and roast your weenies and do all your stuff. You gotta bring a box of these. I mean, it's really, really good. I wouldn't say it's survival material. I mean, if you have them, great, but if you want to survive, just, rub two sticks together or whatever. But I would love to have these on a survival situation. But yeah, these are really, really good, and there is really no downside to any of these, any of this. This is really good. I think it's probably, in some instances, better than the automatic lighter one, because this is actually even longer. The wick here is longer than the wick on the automatic one that I have. You know, that one lights just by a click of a hand, but this, you can reach farther with it. Not much farther. I mean, it's not much longer, but I mean, if we're like splitting hairs here, it is a bit longer. So it is what it is. Yeah, but it's really good. This is a really good buy, and it's very inexpensive. So I think every household should have one of these, just in case, you know, you might need to light something, right? Also, these are very good. We used them to do some fireworks that we had during the 4th of July not too long ago. Excellent for that too. All right, well, that is the Quality Home barbecue matches. Yeah, okay, and they're 40 in a box. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.